What's going on, guys? This is Williams, and today we're going to be talking about Kiire. And as you can see on the page, I just have a question. What is Kiire? It doesn't sound English, so it's not something that I could imagine you guessing, right? But it's a very interesting tool, and it has to do with marketing on Instagram. And let's just take a quick peek at the current total number of visits that Instagram gets. This report was generated for September 2021. And just take a look at this number. There have been 6.29 billion visits throughout the month of September only. And research shows that among this 6.29 billion visits, over 130 million users go to Instagram just to check out products and make purchases, which means whosoever is using Instagram for business has over 130 million potential customers, depending on what you're selling, right? So back to this question. So what is Kiire? Now, Kiire is basically an Instagram approved official safety use app. It's by safety use, it means it's not like other apps have not been existing for Instagram automation, but Kiire is the first official approved app by Instagram itself, and it just lets you automate your entire marketing Instagram marketing, which in turn helps you grow followers, and by that you can sell more products and build your brand, all using the power of uh, AI. And that's basically what Kiire is. And uh, what we should be doing right now is to check out who the vendor of this program is, because that's what I do. I check out who is selling this product. Is it Let's check out their reputable status and see if it's something that we should continue checking. All right, so on the next scene I'm going to show you the statistics of the vendor of this program. Okay, so here it goes. This is the current profile of the vendor of this program. His name is Abhi, Abhi. I've actually um, reviewed his product before, and this is so far what he has achieved. He has had over 79,000 sales, which means yes, and he has achieved the seller status of one of the top 1% sellers, both as a seller as an affiliate. And from this, and he is the founder of Real Apps. So here is his Skype handle. If you want, you can contact him because he's fast. He responds really fast, and you can ask him more questions if about this product if you will. So from this, our vendor looks very reputable, and it means we can go ahead to check more about the product. All right. Kiire is a very simple app to use. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to do so much manual work. You just have to spend the minimum time to get maximum results. And when you click on the link below this video, you're going to get to a page that shows you a little demo on how the whole software works. And moreover, I'll still tell you um, just a yeah an, an outline of how it works. So you're selling a product. Let's say you're selling something like clothing, and you have clothes for kids and you have clothes for adults. And what you are trying to do is to get those particular customers, to get people on your product, to get more eyes on your product. And it's assumed that you already have a store, you already have an official handle for where you post some of those products, and you having a handle without users, without people coming to patronize or coming to view those products is basically useless. So Kiire helps you get more eyes on that by engaging on people's contents, people with similar pages, people that have, that belief where they say you have uh, you want your followers to be in a certain niche, then you should start following people in those niches. You should start commenting. You should start engaging on people's posts in those niches, and most likely you're going to get more followers in those niches, which means anything you post in that niche will be relevant to those people. And that's exactly what Kiire helps you to do. But it helps you automate that process instead of you doing manual work. So that's what Kiire does, and all you need to do is just set it up within 10 minutes or less, and you will be good to go. So when you click on the link below the video, you're going to get more on what Kiire does. And so here are some of the features that come with Kiire. When you buy Kiire, when you purchase Kiire, when you own Kiire, this is what you are going to have. You're going to be able to automate. You're going to schedule your posts. You can use it to auto comment. You can automate your comments. You can automatically generate FAQs, and it will respond based on the static responses that you've inserted into it. You can also set up direct messages, auto reply to messages when people contact you and you're away. Um, you can also set up auto reply with, of course, polite messages when people comment on your photos. You can do all these things using Kiire, and these are the features that come with it. There's even bulk messaging and auto reply to when people mention you, which shows you are really active. And even if you are away, even if you are not online at that moment, even if you are in a place that's not reachable, or you're actually busy doing other things, Kiire can help you just take charge based on the commands that you've given it. So these are some of the features that come with Kiire, and just click on the link below this video to check out more. So after knowing what Kiire is, the next thing most of us who are watching this video would want to know is, all right, Williams, you've told us what the feature of Kiire is, you've told us what it is, you've told us who the vendor is. So assuming I want to make profit off this product, how do I do that? So that leads us to how to make money using Kiire, and I've just summarized the basic working principle of Kiire and how it will lead you to make money off of it. So the first thing is it helps you get more engagements and uh, um, time spent on Instagram, which means even if you're away, just like I mentioned previously, even if you're away and someone mentions you in a comment, it can help you reply. If someone sends a message, it can help you um, give instant reply, which means you are always online, even if you are not literally always online. So more engagements leads to more followers in that niche, because it likes photos from several accounts, as it comments on photos from several accounts, or replies uh, from comments, then people will believe that you are active. And if your account is active, it gets followers, and the more the followers in that niche, then more followers means more eyes on what you are selling, right? Because if you have more followers on that account, more people will be able to see whatsoever it is that you post. And if there are more eyes on your products, then the potential of you making more sales is there. It increases by the day, and more sales means obviously more money, right? So I believe this cycle is self-explanatory, and it's not abracadabra. It's as simple as you getting engagement, you getting Kiire, getting started with it to reach the point of making more money using the system. So that leads us to the question: is Kiire worth buying or not? Well, in my opinion, Kiire is a product that helps you achieve simplicity. It helps you achieve automation, that automation that you need. Kiwi helps you achieve that. So, is it worth buying? Of course, if you want simplicity, if you are the type that feels you're always busy, you are always engaged, but you still want to be active, so Kiwi helps you achieve just that. Um, from these pages that I'm scrolling, I have uh, just samples showing okay the kind of comments that Kiwi can can reply with based on it's AI, so it's based on the automation. And then back to my point of whether it's worth buying or not, it is actually worth buying to those who, like I said, want to have their services automated, want to keep that active status, because I know how difficult it is if that's not your primary uh, place of business. But then if you know you can always manually be online commenting, posting new photos, and like generating engagements, then I don't think you would need Kiwi. But if you want that simplicity, by the way, it's just $37. So I believe for $37 you get the license, and you can do a lot of things with it. So do you believe that you can spare $37 to get the freedom of not having to always be online on Instagram while keeping your business status active? If your answer is yes to that, then Kiwi is worth buying. Uh, just check out this page. There's a demo video here, and I hope you make the decision based on what you've seen so far. So here are my final thoughts on Kiwi. There are two categories of people on social media: those that are truly there just for the entertainment, just to kill some boredom, and then those that are there for business, that are there to leverage on the common users who are there to kill boredom to make some profit out of them. For those that are there just for the entertainment purpose, Kiwi isn't for you, sadly though. For those that are there for business, Kiwi is for you. And why I'm saying so is because Kiwi has been approved by Instagram, which means it can be used at will. You bought it, it was approved by Instagram, and then you can use it without the risk of having your account banned. So why not give it a try and see how how it improves your business? That's my own recommendation. So I hope you make the right choice. Like this video if you loved it, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.